Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to basically convert Visual Basics information from text box, labels, whatever, to a web page. So first let's open up Visual Basics. I'm using 2010 Express. And then you'll want to open up your HTML/PHP editor. Doesn't matter. I'm going to just use Notepad++ just for the simplicity. And make a new whoops. Go ahead and just give it a name, and I'll just make a new folder on my desktop and call it website. God, I suck at typing today. Test, and save it inside there and make it a PHP file. So I guess this could be the home page. So index.php, and save it. And now make a new project on Visual Basics, and I'll call this the same thing, website test. Let it load up the form. Okay. Edit around the simple stuff like it's gonna be, for my example, it's gonna be a sign-in form, sign-up form. Let's make it start out center screen. Form border style, fix dialog. Okay, and then let's go ahead and set it up. So just get a button and two text boxes. Which one's which? Let's see. This is text box 2. Okay, so get the button and change the text of it to register, I guess. Yeah. And make the form not look like crap. Okay. So on button 1, not click. All this is going to do is direct you to a web page. So process dot start. Whenever you use the process dot start to open up a URL, it opens it up with your default browser. So this is pretty simple. Process dot start HTTP. Whoops. Whoa, I'm retarded. HTTP your URL. I'm just gonna be putting it on my website just for, just to show you guys. /test/index.php question mark, and then user equals, and then end the quotations, and then do and then do textbox1.text, and more quotations, and inside those quotations put a little an and again, and then pass equals, and then do an and outside of the quotations, and then textbox2.text, and end the parentheses. And there we go. Now let's do that. Now back to the actual coding itself. Okay. Let's get started. Whoops. Wow, I'm officially retarded. Let's just make a head. And make a title for the page. And just call it, I'm just going to call it test for these purposes. Okay, now let's make a body. And now let's add the form. form method equals post action equals index dot PHP. So basically what that'll do is make it where whenever you click the submit button, it takes you back to here. ID equals, let's just call it form 1. These are different than forms from Visual Basic, so don't get these confused since we're using both. Then go ahead and end the form. Okay, here, inside the form, let's go ahead and make a input. And then type equals text. And then value, well, don't even put value because there's not going to be anything in it. Well, actually, yes, put value. After you put ID equals, let's call it, I guess, user. And then value equals, and then we'll save that for later. And then make another input. Let's make the same thing. Another text box. Except this time, instead of it being the ID being user, make it pass. Keep the value blank still. And because we're going to go back to that, and then just make a submit button. So type needs to be submit. Value needs to be sign up. Whoops, put quotations. And the ID is just going to be register. Okay. Now we have a form. Now let's go back up to the top of the page. Right before the HTML tags. Let's make a PHP tag. PHP question mark PHP. Go down and let's go ahead and end the PHP. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Now type in who. You should have well, I don't even need that. Okay. Let's make a variable. $, user equals $_ get bracket, normal bracket, not any normal bracket, single apostrophe, single quotation, and inside those make it say user, because that's what it's going to be getting from the link, bracket, semicolon, to go to the next line. Now $, pass equals, same thing as above, except this time it's pass, _ get okay. Now that's simple, actually, really simple. Now down here the value equals the little question mark PHP, end the PHP tag, and type in echo user semicolon. Go down, same thing, except echo pass semicolon, end the PHP tag. And there we go. Let's go ahead and save it. File save or Control S. Hopefully I didn't screw up. I know I didn't screw up. Let's go. Okay. Let's go to my website, and I already uploaded it to my server, so /test. Screw that. Did it wrong. Go to Visual Basics. Open up your program, debug it. And sign up form. Let's type in a username, Zach. Password. Hello. I could have made that password characters, but I did not. Register. It loads. Zach, hello. Sign up. Congratulations. I'm cool. Ignore that because it doesn't show anything because I hit sign up and it refreshes. But whenever I write in here, shows on the web page, which is totally different from this. So, hi, password skating, dude, 52496. Register, yay, Good for me. Okay. Well, that's pretty much it. And I also could have done this, but I guess I was too lazy. There we go. Now it's like that. So now when I go here, register. Yes, perfect. Okay. Thank you for watching and goodbye.